All right, so let's solve some simple logarithmic equations. So here's a very basic example. So the simplest way to go about solving this equation is just to use the definition of logarithm. Just say exactly what this means. So log base 2 of x is equal to 3 means, by definition, 2 raised to the third equals x. 2 raised to the third equals x. Simplify that, 2 to the third is 8, and you have your solution. X has to be 8. Okay, so another example, a little more complicated. Like with exponential equations, we wanted to isolate the exponential expression. Here we want to isolate the logarithm expression. So we want to get this log of x by itself. Make sure you understand that this is log of x, then minus 1. It's not the log of x minus 1 together. So what this means is this. Right, so the first thing we want to do to isolate this log of x is to add 1 to both sides. So 5 log of x equals 15. Then we can divide both sides by 5. We will get log of x equals 3. And once you have the logarithm isolated, just use the definition and say exactly what this means. So the understood base, of course, is 10. So this means 10 to the third equals x. And if you simplify that, 10 to the third is 1,000. So x equals 1,000. Let's solve this one. Notice the difference between these two. So here, the log of x was together, then you subtracted 1. In this one, we have x minus 1, and then we take the logarithm of that. So if you want the x minus 1 together, you need to make sure the parentheses are around that. So let's divide both sides by 5. And we have the log of x minus 1 equals 3. Okay, again, our understood base is 10. So just use the definition of logarithm. 10 to the third equals x minus 1. Then simplify. 10 to the third, of course, is 1,000. Equal to x minus 1. Then I can add 1 to both sides. And I get x equals 1,001. All right, one final example. Here I want to isolate the natural log expression by itself, so I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Seven. Then I can multiply both sides by 3. Equals 21. So remember, natural log is just an abbreviation for log base e. So I'll actually write that out here. That's log base e of x plus 4 equals 21. All right, so by definition, e to the 21st power equals x plus 4. Now, of course, I have no idea what e to the 21st power is. It's some really huge irrational number. So we will just leave it as e to the 21st power. Move 4 to the other side, and I get x equals e to the 21st power, whatever that is, minus 4.